Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So we're going to be decorating my right hand today. We're going to be using these Born Pretty Shimmer Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel Polishes. So there's 6 colours in this gel polish collection. We've got SR01 through to SR06. Just showing you there. So I have already swatched all of them apart from SR04. These are the swatches, but I did just want to swatch SR04 with you just so you can take a look at what the consistency's like, see what they apply like. I've got SR01, 02, 03, SR05 and SR06. They are kind of like glass gels, which I really like. I think they're cool. So this is SR04. This is the one that I wanted to swatch with you guys. I think this is probably my favourite, to be honest. So it's like a chocolatey brown sort of colour. So you get 10ml. You've always got your swatch on the front there. You've always got your ingredients on the back. So let's have a look at this SR04. Beautiful, beautiful colour. So that is what it looks like as a full cover colour. Really nice chocolatey kind of brown. As you can see, it is like a glass gel. I think that's really cool. So we're going to get the magnet out and we're going to pull that cat eye effect out. Let's just shake it from side to side. Can you see all them particles coming out, making it super bright? And then I just want to do the little swirl effect like I normally do on my swatches, just like that. And then that is what it looks like with the cat eye effect. Really, really cool. So that is all 6 swatched. They've also had a coat of Born Pretty Super Top Coat as well. Their gorgeous glossy shiny top coat. My favourite top coat by far. It's stain resistant, scratch resistant, anti-yellowing. It's an amazing top coat. My nails stay shiny for weeks with that top coat. So I'm just trying to show you the cat eye effect there. They're so pretty, aren't they? Really nice warm colours. And like I said earlier as well, guys, these are reflective as well. So they are super bright when they are under flashlight. So we're going to do a design now, guys. I'm not too sure which colour I want to use yet, whether I want to use SR02 or SR04. I think I need to go for the darker one out of the two. So I think I'm going to go for SR04. So let's get these right hand nails decorated now, shall we? So these are the tips that I applied, the 5 Angels Tipex Instant Apex tips that I applied in my last video. And I have already given the thumb, the pinky and the pointer finger a coat of this rubber base coat from Born Pretty. RBG03, that colour is. Beautiful, beautiful colour. And now I'm going to go in with SR04. That's the colour that I chose to go with, the darker one. That really nice chocolatey brown. And I've given this middle fingernail a full coat of that. Now I'm going to get my magnet out before I cure it and just bring out that cat eye effect, as you can see. And I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. Going to do the exact same on the ring finger. Giving it a full coat, and then before curing it, go in with the magnet, bring out that cat eye effect, just like that, and then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now, on the 3 nails that has had the rubber base coat, I'm going to be painting the free edge, the tips, with that same cat eye RS04, but I will just only show you me doing this one because the other 2 are going to be the exact same. So I've applied that before I've cured it. I'm now going to bring the cat eye effect out with the magnet and then give that a cure for 60 seconds. So I've done that on the other 2 nails. I'm now wiping off the tacky layer with some isopropyl alcohol because I want to go in with this transfer foil. So this transfer foil, I just want a couple of roses, so I'm going to cut them out first. I'll just show you me cutting this one out. That's what I like about these clear back transfer foils. You can just cut out whatever you want to use. I'm using the Madam Glam foil glue gel and I'm going to apply that to the whole of the nail. Nice, thin, even layer. Cure that for 60 seconds. And now we're going to stick that rose into the transfer foil glue gel. Give it a good old rub-a-dub-dub with my silicone tool. Making sure it's all stuck down into that cured glue gel. And then just whip it off with my tweezers. That is it. Easy peasy. And look at that full transfer, guys. brilliant transfer foil glue gel this is. Love it. So off camera, I have applied a rose to all the other nails, just like that. So that is the transfer foil all done. And now I'm going to seal all that in with Born Pretty's Super Top Coat. This is my favourite top coat, guys. It is scratch resistant, stain resistant, anti-yellowing. My nails stay glossy for weeks when I use this top coat. It's amazing. So I'm just going to give a nice thin, even coat of that to all 5 nails and then cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then that's going to seal all those roses in. So that is the top coat all fully cured. That is what they look like so far. Look how glossy that super top coat is, guys. It's so glossy. I really like the cat eye effect as well. They look really cool. So now I've pulled out Born Pretty's painting gel, colour number 002, which is the black. And I've added a little bit of that to my palette. Pulled out my long striping brush and I'm just going to paint the outline of the smile line. But I want it to look like the outline is going behind that rose. So I only really want to paint like half of the smile line, if you know what I mean. So you're probably wondering why I didn't paint this outline before I did the foil. Now the reason I can't do that is because I do want to emboss this, as you can see I'm doing now. So before I cure that black gel paint, I'm sprinkling some clear acrylic powder into it, making sure there's no shiny patches before I pop it in the lamp to cure. Now I'm going in with 003, which is the white painting gel, and I'm going to paint another smile line just above that black smile line. But with the white, I'm not going to sprinkle any clear acrylic powder into it because I want the white line to be shiny. And another thing I like about this gel paint, it cures without a tacky layer as well. So once it's cured in the lamp, you haven't then got to top coat over it. Your nail art is finished, all ready to go. So now I've pulled out a dotting tool. And I'm using the 002 black gel paint again. And I'm just painting some leopard print on the ring fingernail. You'll see I have already done the middle nail off camera. And then again, I want that to look embossed. So before I cure the black gel paint, I will go in and sprinkle the clear acrylic powder into it again. Then give it a double cure for 2 minutes. And then that'll be them all finished, guys. So that is what they look like, all finished, guys. What are your thoughts? I think they are well cool. I love the contrast between the shiny background and then like the embossed velvety like leopard print. I love that. I love the roses with the leopard print. I love the French nails. I just think they're really, really cool and just something a little bit different, aren't they? So we're just going to pop a little bit of cuticle oil on. Just give them cuticles a little bit of nourishment. That is the swatches again one last time. And then that is the nails again one last time. Yeah, I really like them. I really like them Tipex Instant Apex tips as well. They're really nice. They feel like you have got proper acrylic extensions on. They don't feel like full cover tips at all. I really like them. So those Born Pretty cat eye gel polishes, I will leave links for in my description box below, guys. I have got a 12% off discount code for Born Pretty, so I'll leave that pinned in my comments. I have also got a 12% off discount code for Melodysusie as well. So if anyone's interested in that amazing portable Melodysusie lamp, don't forget to take full advantage of that discount code. I will leave the link for that lamp as well in my description box below. And I'll also leave the link for the Tipex Instant Apex tips. And I'll also leave the link for the kit as well, if anyone's interested in the full kit. So if you are interested in anything that I've used today, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight to that item. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.